Guys, back to school, back to school. Yan guys, back to school, back to school.
Gusto lang kami mga lods. Mga guys. Ngayon lang uli nahatid si Natad sa school.
Wala na akong pag may AMS wala na akong nararamdaman na yung ganyan. Tibay ng shock mo ah. Ka, secret shop. Secret Shopee.
Secret shop.